What up, y'all? Tabletop epoxy. As you can see, we got a kitchen island here, DIY style. Took two, made one, and we're going to do a epoxy layer on the top of it. Epoxy layer on the top of it. We'll do a walk around of it once I get some epoxy going on it. So it's like 3 hours to dry on the first coat. Then you do the flood coat, which is the coat with everything on it. So we're gonna give this a try. It's my first time ever, and it's Valentine's Day. So for Valentine's Day, we are doing home improvement projects instead of ice skating.
I'm sorry, baby. I was tired. Some people work on Friday.
So they say mix.
I appreciate it, though, baby.
All right. You mix 1 to 1 of each. So mix A and B. This is a 2-part Amazon deal. So supposed to be in a well ventilated area as well.
Should we get the fan?
I think we're in a well ventilated area because it is. I got a breeze in here somewhere.
The ceiling fan's going.
So we're gonna mix A and B. This is A, this is B. Do we need another cup, you think? Because you gotta have the same amount.
I say so. I gotta mix two different.
I don't have a measuring cup, so we're just gonna go A.
Do I need to write A on there so you know what it is?
Man, this stuff is thick. See that? Y'all see that? I'm sorry we ain't got no more. Can you turn that light on over there? See for something? This is A. Look at this stuff. Crystal clear though. This is A.
That's all you gonna put in there?
For now. This is B. Oh, B is not as thick. And then you take the two and you mix them. I probably need some. We got any gloves?
Yes.
Alright. A and B.
This is A. Alright.
Yeah, it says it on it.
This is A?
Yep.
Oh, no.
Alright.
Another A.
So now we're going to take the two and we're going to pour A, B in the A.
The last two first.
And the paintbrush. You know where.
Bag.
Okay. I don't know how this is going to turn out, y'all. But it's got to be. And what I did is, this is a tabletop. I sanded it down. I burned it. And I mixed, just did a little bit in different spots. Try to add its own little touch to it. Let me give you all a little shot of what it looks like before we do the epoxy. You care to stir this for 3 minutes?
I would love to.
It says stirring sticks, and yeah, we got drinking cups and plastic utensils.
You want a timer?
I'm just looking at what time it is. It looks cloudy. It don't look.
Probably dry through though.
It probably will. And this is supposed to be like a self-leveling. You mix it. Now, I'm going to let y'all see what it looks like. It's what it looks like before. It's nothing. I like it. And then, of course, got a little brown and black. Break it up a little bit. Little weathered look. we'll start. Just so y'all can see, we might just put the camera right here and let y'all start. Let y'all look. All right, we'll put it right there. We'll start on that end. What do you think? One more minute. Let's get some paint brushes out.
How thick is the first coat supposed to be?
Thin. It said thin. Let it dry for 3 hours.
How thin? Just like painting?
Thin. And then while I'm applying, we'll let you read the directions because you do a better job of following than I do. Looks like I didn't mix up enough, did it?
I don't think so.
Well, I just wanted to make sure.
Then we gotta mix it all up again.
Yep. That's it. That's 3 minutes. You start down there. We'll just pour it down there. And I'll spread it out with the brush. Look at the colors pop. Look at the colors pop. You know, I think we'll look to make this easier or better. A roller, yes.
It's spreading pretty good though.
It's thick. Look at the colors pop. It says I need a blowtorch for the bubbles to get bubbles out. We didn't put nothing around the floor just in case we drop some.
Don't be messy then. Do we have it on the carpet? Oh, no.
Yeah! Yeah!
Whatever.
Alright, just go ahead and pour it all out. I might have to have you mix some more.
How about I spread and you mix this time? I'm gonna paint some. Maybe. You think I can't do it? You
I
always
didn't say
think
it.
that
I
I
didn't
can't
say
do
it.
stuff.
I like the way it's looking though. It's popping. It's popping, ain't it? Huh?
Yes, honey. Yes.
It's popping.
Let's just pour it up to the line. No, half and
Yeah,
half.
well, we can. We just need another cup. We just need one more cup. This be like a self-leveling. I sure hope it settles better than it is. From looking at it from my angle, it looks kind of ripply. Looks real ripply. And I don't mean like believe it or not either.
It's my phone, isn't it? Oh, Lord.
All right, we'll come back. Got a nice little layer of it. I think I mixed up too much this second batch. We're gonna make it work.
We gotta get it out a little bit. I think it's.
We had a paint roller, man, be perfect, I think. I ain't never messed with this stuff before, but I've seen it online. Everything seems to be pretty cool with it.
Uh-oh. Straw. Piece of the brush.
It says 3 hours to completely dry. We got a fan that we'll probably put on it. Hopefully that'll speed the process up. I don't know. But what I got was a 1 gallon of A, 1 gallon of B, And I've not even used a quarter of each gallon yet. She's over here freaking out because I keep pouring more on it.
Yeah, and it's getting thicker and thicker without thinning it out, honey.
I don't see it moving.
Because you keep pouring it.
I think it looks slick.
I think it looks thick.
It's supposed to be self-leveling.
Back on that side.
Y'all hear his nest?
Stay over there and want that. I got this in the middle because look at that. Look how big that is.
I got a half a cup here that I have to use. Or I have to just throw it away. You don't want to.
You got plenty. Look at it. See it? Look how much is on it.
Yeah, but it'll level out.
Okay.
If it self-levels like it's supposed to, you know, I just hope we ain't putting on too thick of a first layer.
Too thick of a layer? I guess we're gonna find out, aren't we?
Definitely gonna find out, y'all.
Probably just take longer to dry, I guess.
I think it looks so much better.
Yeah, I'm glad you decided to do this.
On Valentine's Day, too. Hey, y'all know the honeydew list? Well, I got a long one, and this has been on it for a while.
True.
So, what better time to do it than Valentine's Day together? Huh? See a couple dry spots. I'm trying to. There. Okay. Everything is covered. We'll come back in 3 hours, I guess.
Any on the
And
sides at all?
no, I'm just putting a thin. I don't want it to drip. And I mean thin. Man, that's gonna look good, man. That's gonna look so good. It's bling blingy, but bubbly bubbly. I don't know where my torch is. You know where my torch is at?
Come on.
Get the bubbles out.
You supposed to do it while it's wet?
That's what it's saying.
You sure?
No. I like it though. I like it. I like the way it's turning out so far.
Do you think because
Maybe.
it's gonna be?
I don't know.
Well, it shouldn't leak off the sides. It should be heavy in the middle.
Right, and level itself out. You see the bling bling of the lights above it. Sanded it. I used a torch to burn the tabletop and mounted it. But it's wavy as I'll get out right now.
Maybe.
So hopefully all that settles itself out. We'll see. All right. That's after the first coat. It has dried completely. Still got some imperfections there, but like there's a bubble there. But for my first time, I think it's all right. I'm gonna have to put some edges like cardboard or something right here to catch the corners. But I think it looks good compared to what it was. So, yeah, I gotta pull. Yeah. So, we're gonna get back at it, put another coat on it, a thicker coat, and see how she does. We'll let her set for another, was it 12 hours is what we did on this one, I think. I don't know. I just hope that there's no flash time in between, you know, like every 3 hours you're supposed to put another one on and or it won't take. So hopefully not. We'll see. This is the semi-finished product. I'll go back and put a before and then an after. I think I'm gonna put another coat of it on here. It's definitely shiny. Definitely shiny. I got a little heavy with burning it on this end versus that end. And I did use my torch and tried to get some of these bubbles out. I think I'm gonna add another coat. As you can see here, it's real thin on the edge. So I think I'm gonna do some cardboard here, all the way around it, and do a coat here. I kind of need something to stand up right there. But anyway,